Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is a very technical object with this drawing and the name lathe knife holder. We start by extruding this contour with dimensions 68, 48, 15, 26, 25, a chamfer of 4 at 45 degrees, and the length of the extrusion is 66. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, rectangle, this corner, 48, tab 68. Another rectangle is this one with dimensions 25, tab 26. This dimension is 15. And we apply a chamfer of 4 millimeters at this corner. Okay. Now I apply split of this line and also this line. Why? Because the side of the small rectangle and the segment of the big rectangle have to be construction. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical on 66. Then we apply the other big chamfer. Do not forget this one. Chamfer, here and here, with a value of 10. You see? Now we see here two channels, 1, 2. The dimensions are mostly here in this detail B. Dimensions are interesting, but more interesting is this circle. Diameter of 8, tangent to both lines, but also containing this intersection point between the two lines. You see dimensions 37 and 40 beside all of these. This is the face for the new sketch. I draw lines here, this one, and horizontal. Dimensions, preliminary dimensions are 10, 9 degrees, .5 is this small line, and a radius of 0.5 placed here, 0.5. Here. Then we draw a circle with diameter of 8, tangent to both sloped lines, and we draw this axis to be constructive together with the circle, because we apply mirror all these entities about this axis. Apply. Then we place the two dimensions. This is 37, and this is 40. One dimension needed. Yes, that dimension is the coincidence between the circle and this endpoint. You see, both is moved here. Good. Finish sketch, extrude, select profiles, but there are not closed lines here. I go back. Oh, this is construction, it must be normal line. Once again, extrude this area with cut all the way through the part. Okay. We continue with holes. There are many holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also another place here. Okay, let's see what are the dimensions. All these 5 have the center on this face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this face. Another one is here. A new sketch on this face. Then we draw a vertical line of 40 millimeters with its midpoint aligned with the center point, distance of 12.5. Then other 2 points, 1, 2, but not cross points, simply points. You'll see why. They are placed on the same horizontal with the center point. One is placed at 8 and the other at 17. Finish sketch. We place another point on this face, now as a cross point, placed on the same vertical with this center point at a distance of 18. Finish sketch. Now we start with this hole, 14, with a depth of 23. Hole here, not threaded, distance 12 is this one, and this is 23. Okay. Other holes are select it one by one. This is another one which is threaded, going through all the part to have a possibility for the bottom hole. The thread is ISO 8 millimeters and OK. And we apply plus. Then we select this hole, not threaded, diameter of 8, and the end on this hole plus 1, 2, 3 threaded holes, isometric profile, 10 is the diameter, and 2 I have to select this option because I place them ending here. Plus another hole is this one. I select position on this face. This face, this center. Dimensions for this hole are 12 with 38. Not threaded, with an end. 38 is the depth and the diameter is 12. Okay. Wow. Let's see inside. Yes, view, half section view, the plane XY, and you see all that holes, my friends. Good. We finished the model with the chamfers of 1 at 45. I select this chamfer 1, all of this, and also this. Okay. I hope we finished the model. Let's see what about the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same. You see, this fourth rank is slightly different. I eliminate the previous value and I keep this one because this is what we did here. We select material, steel carbon. We apply shaded, not shaded with edges, and here we select default lights. Let's see what is the difference. This is our, oh, there is a difference here, you see. I don't know which dimension is wrong. The position of this hole. This is the first. and the sketch is 18. 18 is, my friends. It must be 18, you see? The other model was wrong. Made also by me, of course. Okay. With this, we finish the part. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.